Challenges. How do you resolve the conflicts in terms of ideas and suggestions that you receive in applications, and what are the applications of the machine that you design? What is the most important component, and if I remove that important component, what replacement do you do? Is that clear?
Good afternoon, everyone. We have designed an X-ray scanner which included two things. It could scan a human also, and also baggages. So the most important parts were the conveyor belt, the flaps. The most important parts were conveyor belt, flaps, and the sensors. There were three types of sensors in it. The one was material detector, the other was metal detector, and the third one was infrared sensor. The most important part was the metal detector, and we also had a computer in which there was a person who saw what are the things there inside the baggage, and he was sitting next to the human scanner, in which we can detect any bombs that have been implanted inside the human. We all know that terrorists are using new method for the suicide bombers. They are implanting bombs inside the body by using the surgery techniques. So without the X-ray scanners, you cannot detect that bombs, and it has been proved in 3 last bomb blasts that they have used such implants. So that is why it was so important. And we had Divya as our customer who took the baggage, and there was a metal part found which was detected, and then she was asked to throw off that from the flight before she boards the flight. And the most important part was the metal detector. If I remove it, then I wouldn't be able to identify whether how much amount of metal is there in any part of the baggage. But I have a replacement for it. We had a Charmin who was searching in baggages using a manual metal detector, which is used as a secondary part. So that's it about our machine. Thank you so much.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
This is we show many rocket launchers in this world, but this is a special difference from all. It calls the reusable rocket launcher. Means we divide it into two parts. One is satellite, and other is rocket launcher. Then you can see that the first four or five people is like behaving satellite, and the others behaving like rocket launchers. This is no technology concept. It is not applying in now, but it is future. In future, it will apply. The application of the launcher is that the rocket launchers are used for the put the satellite in the orbit of the any planets. But the main problem is that the rocket launcher is when we put the satellite in the orbit, the launcher is waste on the space. So it creates many problems in space. So the SpaceX, the company of the America, is working on these applications, that the reusable rocket launchers. Then it will help you to put the satellite in the orbit of the other planets, and the rocket launcher is back on the side, and later of a few seconds or a few minutes, it will again ready for the launch.
In terms of soft skills, what are some of the skills that you learned or observed in the group?
I am the new captain of the world, but the thing is that we have created more discussion, but we didn't apply the discussion into the practical, so it create problems for the how not listen properly.
So there was a gap between ideation and execution.
Yes, there is very big between the executions and the ideas. We cannot put the clear idea on the executions.
How did you come up with the various conflicts?
So first thing
Somebody might have suggested let us build a cell phone, somebody might have suggested let us build this.
Yes, sir, there is a many conflict between the last time. Many are saying that we can build this, we can build this, but the thing is we have clear about the ideas, but not put in the executions of the idea. So in last 2-3 minutes we decided that now we can do this activity.
So that means some sort of time management is required.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
afternoon. Okay, so we built a tank, and let us begin from the wheels and the chain that was designed for the tank. So for that purpose, we chose 6 boys who were like comfortable walking with bent legs. So those 6 guys are here, and for the nozzle of the tank from where the fires spawn, for that we chose Janki because she's pretty thin, and so like she was suitable for that nozzle part. So then, and also she had a chart paper, so she just suggested we can use that for the nozzle also. So that was also implemented. And if in case the nozzle fails or we run out of bombs, in that case we had chosen these 2 girls, Kausha and Ashka, as machine guns.
But
As a backup.
any significance for Janaki sitting like Hanuman?
Actually, if she would be standing that, her height would be too tall. I mean, our commander, the person who would fire the bomb was Pooja, so she might be very much tall to Pooja as compared to, I mean, commander's height. So then that was not matching. So then we decided that she must sit on the chair. And
Even now she is sitting like Hanuman.
she is the main attacking tasker. I mean, she is the main force behind our engine, our machine. So she has got that specific.
What was the most interesting and most challenging aspect of your design?
Okay, sir, starting challenging part started as soon as the activity was assigned, like there are 12 people, right? So 12 different ideas came up and it was difficult for us to decide that which one to focus on. And finally we decided
Supposing we
that,
had removed 6 people, would it have been still possible? Or let's say 3 people, would it still have been possible?
yes sir, we would have given our best, yes, 3 people also.
Okay, you remember we restructured 4 teams into 3, thinking that you may not have enough number of people. That's what I'm talking about. You got 3 additional people.
Yes.
3 or 4? 3 additional people.
Yeah.
So if 3 people were taken away, you could still manage?
Yes sir.
What about the other 2 teams? If we are a shortfall of 3 people, you could still manage?
So then that was the most challenging part, like convincing everybody that everyone should come to a conclusion that okay, tank was a fair enough idea.
And what was the most interesting part of it?
Interesting part was rehearsing. I mean, we all were enjoying so much that we all were making mistakes and we were all confused, and that was the best part, that we all came to a common conclusion, and we all feel that we did it well, executed well. So
Did you all feel like the little kid with the tire and the stick?
no, we enjoyed it.
Yeah, that's good.
Right.